The Alma Venture program provides support and funding to help students access experiential learning opportunities. We hope that every single student will have a venture-funded experience before they graduate, and that this funding can help every student do something they wouldn't otherwise do during their time at Alma College.
I think venture is an important part of the student experience because it emphasizes the importance of learning outside of the classroom, getting out in the world and gaining real experience. The trip that I lead is in the Ecuadorian Amazon. It's a spring term course that's focused on the medicinal plants that are used by an indigenous community in Amazonian Ecuador.
I went out and worked in South Dakota for South Dakota Game Fish and Parks. I helped to manage a state park for an entire summer. I'm a political science major, so going out there and being able to learn about the different fauna, plants, animals, stuff like that was going around on the open prairie really shocked me that I could learn and sort of retain all of that information.
My first time flying out of the country was actually going to Sierra Leone, Africa. Since that initial experience, I was able to use my venture grant to go to Scotland with the Highland Arts bagpiping band, and this past summer I was in India teaching children about international issues and operating Model UN conferences.
On my venture trip, I traveled to Costa Rica for a week with a group of my classmates and an instructor, and we worked at a local health clinic. We provided health education, sat in on some health visits, and just kind of oversaw the whole process of the clinic. Working in this clinic gave me the opportunity to learn how to show compassion and interact with patients and people that I would have never had the chance to before.
There are always important skills and insights that you can learn from these experiences. And while the classroom experience, the academic experience at Alma is so important, sometimes it is the specific experiences you have along the way that can determine where students decide to apply those skills later in life.
The venture program and the experiential learning opportunities that Alma offers have been some of the most defining and transformative experiences of my Alma College career. I had this awakening that I needed to do something with service, that there was a great need out there in the world, and that there were opportunities for my life that I wanted to explore outside of a more conventional career pathway.
I think that being here at college is great, but you really don't become your full true self until you've taken advantage and put yourself in a situation outside of your normal. And I think that the venture program really allows students to do that and to sort of internally reflect on what they need to be doing for their career after graduation.
I hope that students will learn through the venture experience that the world is a very big place and that people in other parts of the world live very different lives, and that there's a lot for us to learn by engaging with those people.
Life begins now. So the venture program is all about providing every student with the opportunity to get out of the classroom while you're a student at Alma College, to seize the moment, to explore new opportunities, to have an impact in your world while you're still a student as you prepare for life after Alma.
Firstly, I would encourage any student who is on the fence about this experience to absolutely go for it. The worst that happens is you have incredible stories to share, amazing memories with classmates and faculty, and the best that happens is that absolutely changes your life.